Guys, I'm here in my local beaches, and as you can see, they still have these 1/18 scale Maistos, obviously from last year's, but they still have some available. I don't know where they're getting them from, but they still have quite a few. So the funny thing is, I just walked up and they had this on top of it. Now obviously this is Anson and it's not a Maisto, and you can clearly see somebody had it stored away because it's pretty old and apparently it was a Christmas present or something. But it's funny because I scanned it and it's just showing up as a diecast, a 1/18 scale, and the same price as some Maistos. So that's pretty weird. Somebody just returned something like that. Oh well. But the reason I'm doing this video is for these right here. I've never seen these before at a BJ's. I've seen these at Hobby Lobby before, but just a 1-pack. These are 2-packs, and they're $19.98. I really don't buy these, but I just want to show you guys what they have here. So these are the ones that you put together, the model car kits. There's 35 parts. This one has 42 parts, and they're 1/24 scale, which I don't collect, so, and I don't like putting them together, so I don't really buy these. But I thought it was interesting that they have these here. So as you can see, they have Corvettes, 1957 Corvette, the 2020 Corvette, Colorado ZR2. They have a Nova, and let's see here, more Corvette over here. There's a Lamborghini Aventador, a Viper. Let's see what they got back in the back. Now they don't have that many, but I just thought it was funny that they actually have these here. Never seen them before, like I said. So that's the same one, and there's a few in the back. That's it. So just wanted to show you guys real quick these 1/24 scale model kits that they have available here at BJ's. All right, so that's it. I'll talk to you guys on the next video.